Alright, we're recording. Alright, so when you're having this problem here, you found the screw. Right here, okay? You got this little hoochie-majigger screw. You gotta go put a plate on, and the damn thing don't fit, but I ain't got a screw that'll fit that thing because the motherfucker's reamed out. So opposed to going out and buying a new one, here's what we're gonna do. Take his handy dandy black tape. Oh yes. I'll tell you what, we're gonna take his black tape and we're gonna wrap it around these here threads, alright? And we're gonna make this motherfucker fit. Yes, sir. Now black tape can go used for many things. I guess it's supposed to be meant for electrical, but well, you know, it's good as a band-aid. You ain't got one, or you need to cut the circulation off so the bleeding will stop. That's what they use it for a lot, really. That and wiring. Alright, so you got your black tape on here. My mind is probably going to be a little hunkified until you get some threads tightened up in it. I'm going to take the tent tag here and we're going to force it through this hole. Yep. Now, we're going to stick it in the hole here. Give me just a second. Now mind you, you may have to apply some pressure because it's not going to want to go. Alright, so once you've done that, you stick your other bolt in the hole. See, what really happened is, I suggest you get one of them little envelope things they'll give you, a Ziploc baggie, whatever you want to call it, many things, I guess. But I suggest getting one because mine poofed. It's been raining the last 2 or 3 days. Mine disappeared somewhere last few days. And decided I just didn't need it no more. And I needed to go spend, since I don't have my title yet. I just needed to go spend the extra money for another 20 bucks for a fucking tag. It's some bullshit. So, now, it's in there. So, another lesson. When you're broken, you ain't got no motherfucking money. Because you're dumb. And somehow you just let your tag go poof. That's how you fix it.